Welcome to this channel. Have a look on these news.
Abdul Munaf Ilaishi gone Mahasabha West Bardhaman. It turned out Amarnath Gaur, the secretary of the Gond committee. On this occasion, Secretary Kishan Kumar Gond, Aradhan Devi Gond, president of Mahila Sabha, Munni Devi Gond, Shobha Shah, Uma Devi, Shobha Devi Yadav, Rita Devi, Bimla Devi, Urmila Devi, Premlata Devi, Konika government. More people than there were attendance in Manisha's Kondyal's candle march from Burgio 3 to Asansol Corporation directly. More news after break. TMC SCST cell of Barabani staged a rally from an atrial football ground today. This procession is Barabani block TMC block President Asit Singh, Pooja Mandi. West Bardhaman District Council Forest Officer was present. Mala Bauri is the President of Barabani Panchayat Samiti. Barabani Block TMC Youth President Pratyas Mukherjee, West Bardhaman TMC General Secretary Santosh Singh, Manoj Sharma. Report from Sentu Bunia Dipan Bauri, Barabani. Purulia October 3 demonstrate and condemnation procession was taken out in every block of Purulia district by Trinamool Congress against the incident of rape of Dalit girl in Hartash of BJP ruled state of Uttar Pradesh. According to the information, this program was also done in other blocks of the district including Nituria, Kasipur. As per the instruction of the state at the call of Nituria block, Trinamool a demanded procession was taken out a Sarbani turn. It was led by Nituria block Trinamool President Santi Bhushan Prasad Yadav, Nituria block Trinamool Vice President Prashant Rai, Mahendra Shah, Amar Chandra Manjhi, Subhas Chandra Manjhi, Sheikh Bani Aman and others were present in the procession. Construction work of road and drains started in Patsri scheme in Kandra village. Andal work on Patsri project has been started in the state from October 1. State Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee inaugurated the project through a virtual meeting in Kolkata. The purpose of this project is to rehabilitate the dilapidated road of the state. Today, as part of this road repair and drains construction work in Kandra village was inaugurated by District Magistrate Purendu Manjhi, SDO Anirban Kol, BDO Ritik Hazra, Jila Parishad President Kalo Bar Mandal, Minty Hazra, Head of Kandra Panchayat Syamalendu Adhikari, District Councillor Mentor Kanchan Mitra and others were present in this meeting. Andal. A raid was carried out at the illegal executive site of Kanta Godia in Kasturia area on the instruction of General Manager Kasturia, Chief Secretary, Chief ECL Capt. Tanmay Das, CISF Commander Mithilesh Kumar in the joint raid operation of Security Department Kunusturia, CISF Kunusturia Jamuria Police. ECL Task Force about 37.390 ton of coal was seized and deposited in the Kunsturia colliery. The first report was logged at Jamuria police station. BJP procession in support of Agriculture Bill, Jamuria in report of Agriculture Bill. A procession was taken out from Jamuria Nazrul Satabdi Bhavan, which end at Jamuria Bazar through by police station. The procession was led by BJP district president Lakshman Gauri. Also present were BJP state committee members Manoj Pandey, Subrata Ghoshal, Pramod Pathak and many others. BJP district president Lakshman Gauri said that fair or Dalal Raj will be and with the agriculture bill, farmer will be able to sell their procedure in the market at fair prices. This will benefit the farmers. He said that the bill would not given a share to NCDAT at the grassroots level, which is why they are misleading the farmers.
কালো ভেঙে দাও ঘুরিয়ে দাও ঘুরিয়ে দাও ঘুরিয়ে দাও তৃণমূলের কালো ভেঙে দাও ঘুরিয়ে দাও ঘুরিয়ে দাও ঘুরিয়ে দাও বিজেপি বিজেপি জিন্দাবাদ বিজেপি বিজেপি জিন্দাবাদ ওটা হচ্ছে যে লোক ধরে নাচবে বিজেপি লক্ষ্যে লক্ষ্যে
Dialogue collaborated Sankodia October 3 under the auspices of Purulia District Police, Nituria Police on Saturday organized a street play on Safe Drive, Safe Life and Corona awareness in front of colliery agent resident near Prablia Bazar and at Sarbani turn. Assets from Colcom through this theme to for with their play performance. Other people present on the occasion include Nituria Police Officer Sujay Kundu, Divendu Mehta, Police and Civic Police Personals.
এইভাবে দমে গুজব ছড়াইছি, শেষে কি হইল জানেন? শেষে আমার নিজেরই হইল করোনা। আর আমার যখন করোনা হইল তখন আমার বাড়ির সবাই, আমার গ্রামের লোকজন আমার চ্যাংদোলা করে পাশ বাগানে ফেলে এলো। আমি হয়ে গেলাম বেওয়ারিশ। আর আমার বাবা, ভাই, বোন, মা, এমনকি আমার নিজের ছোট ভাই, একই মার পেটে জন্মেছি। এই যে আমার ছোট ভাইটা, একই মায়ের পেটে জন্মাইছে এই দুজন। এই ভাইটাও আমার কাছ থেকে হয়ে গেল ভ্যানিশ।
চুপ কর! কে বলেছিল তোকে করোনা নিয়ে উল্টো পাল্টা গুজব রাখাতে? এখন কেটে কি লাভ? কিন্তু শোন, তোর প্রাণ আমি ফিরিয়ে দিতে পারি যদি তুই মরতে গিয়ে মানুষজনকে ঠিকঠাক বোঝাতে পারিস। বল, পারবি?
পারবো মানে একেবারে ওই 100-র ভেতরে 200 ভাগ বুঝাই দিব। দেখবে? এই দেখেন, ভালো করে মন দিয়ে শুনুন। করোনা ভাইরাস, এই করোনা ভাইরাস চারপাশে রয়েছে। এই ভাইরাস যদি কাউকে আক্রমণ করে তাহলে সে হচ্ছে করোনা আক্রান্ত। সে